Hello friends, Diwali Dhanteras ki Shubhkamnaएं. And now today I'll start about Matplot library in Python. So first we know about what is Matplotlib. So basically Matplotlib is a low-level graph plotting library in Python that serve as a visualization utility. Okay, and basically we'll talk about this is the open source and freely use, and we can use it freely and mostly written in Python. So first of all, how can we install Matplotlib? How? Matplotlib library. So we have to use pip install Matplotlib and that execute our Matplotlib code. So now next thing is how to use in Matplotlib. So we have to import first one, we have to import. So first have we have to import Matplotlib. So how to import Matplotlib dot either Matplotlib, and we can import another like from Matplotlib dot pyplot as a PLT. So both of the way we can import like that. So invalid syntax, sorry, import. Now that is the way we can import Matplotlib library. And if you want to check the version, check version. How to check version? Basically, how to check version, which version we are using. So import Matplotlib. Now print Matplotlib dot version double underscore. Then you can see that it will be show what is the version. So एक minute. Matplot.pyplot from pyplot import. Okay, okay, yes, that is not import as a PLT. Okay, so pyplot we are not using. Okay, right now. So now we check about the that is a version we are using over here. So two underscore character are used in a version, so we can find out which version we are using. So now we move pyplot. Pyplot. So basically, what is a pyplot? Utilities under the pyplot is sub module we are import as a PLT, either PLOT. That is a pyplot. So now basically import matplotlib dot py pyplot as a PLT. Okay, so import matplotlib dot pyplot as a PLT. That is a sub module we can access over here. So now pyplot, it will be alternate name as a package. Package name is PLT. So now I'll just show you line diagram in different type of positions. So first import matplotlib dot pyplot as a PLT. Now import numpy as np. Now x equals to np dot array, and suppose I'm taking array 0 to 10. first, and why we are taking np dot array, and now 0 to 300. Okay, so that is our coordinates x and y. So we are taking, and then after plt dot plot uh, x comma y, and now plt dot show. So that is the manner we can see the plotting, how it is possible. That is a matplotlib. So a basic chart, it will be represent indicate for 0 to 300. Okay, so now that is a plotting. How can we plot? Okay, so now basically we'll talk about plotting. Okay, so matplotlib plotting. Okay, so what is plotting? Okay, so basically we are using plot function. Okay, so plot function is used to draw point markers in a diagram, either marker, that's we can call it point also, and that plot function draw a line from x point to y point, and this function takes a parameter for specifying points in a diagram. So suppose a parameter one, suppose we are having 0 to 10, so that is a parameter one is containing x axis, and parameter 2 is containing y axis. So that is the example of regarding this thing. Okay, so now plotting without line also, we can plot without line also. So that is the code we can just copy over here. Okay, and now I'm just uh, plotting without a line. Without line we can plot like that, this code here. So now I just used to uh, one position at the diagram, like a small o, we have to type comma and then small o, and now see the output. So it will be plotting only dot. Okay, so that is a part of without line. And if you want to plot multiple plots, suppose multiple plot in your diagram, so multiple points, either you can see that, yeah, multiple markers also you can plot your hair. So now how can we draw? That is simple. So basically we just paste our early code, and now we increase our coordinates value. So it will be start like that: 2 4 6 8 10, and now okay, so 3 5 7 9 11, and now you can see the let me just see that uh, the, uh, what is the problem, x and y. Okay, so np array four, achha, 5 dimension I'm taking, so I'm taking 4 dimensions. Okay, let me just check it over here. PLT plot and PLT dot show. So again, this one is hearing. So value, we have to change the value, like value is not suitable. I think just range of x and y. So 1 2 uh 7 and 10, and now I'm taking 3 5 1 and 9. So let me just see that. Okay, so we have to change the coordinate, so it will be show like that. And suppose you want to see that only plotting x axis, we are plotting two axes, and I want to show you uh, plotting x axis. So how? So just copy our code, and now just comment this code and change the value of that one. Okay, 1 3 5 8 10 12, and now only print that is a point we are having. Suppose we are having x point only, so So now you can see that our coordinate, it will be just reflect in here, 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 according to value. Suppose I am just using a value in that manner, 2, so it will be reflect another moving here. So now you can see that according to next coordinates 2 and that is a type of plotting we can use. Okay, so now we'll talk about marker, how it is showing markers. So markers, that means markers. So markers basically a argument, yeah, either we can call it keyword to emphasize each point with the specified marker. So I just take it. Let me just copy this code, Control C, and now paste it over here. Okay, and now, okay, so that is our code, and we are having x-axis. So that is a plotting of x, and now we are using marker, that is a keyword, and suppose I am using O. So now you can see that that is the dot is here, and suppose I just try to A. So A is the not a keyword, sorry, only basically O is here. So it will be just like a dot, O for dot, it will print. Okay, and suppose I want to change like a star shape. So you can see that it will be a change as a like a shape of dots. Suppose I'm changing, it will working or not, not working. So only a star we can use, and G O we can use. So basically I'm using star, so you can see that over here. Okay, so a different type of circle and stars and point and pixels, x fill plus square, diamond. Suppose I just put it one to hexagon. So hexagon for H, capital H. So that is a value of, okay, and triangle up and this is. So now we'll talk about format string. Format string. Format string, and like a function follow, it will be a fmt. Okay, fmt. So basically you can also use to shortcut like a fmt. Okay, so marker, line, and color we are using over here. So basically our code would have to copy this code, and x point is that. So now comma, and so O colon R, and now, so you can see that red, different type of color is here. R for red color, dotted is here. Okay, so colon dotted is here. And now, so suppose I'm changing the color of yellow. So now let me check. So yellow color is here. So you can change the color of reference. If you want to see the dotted line, so you have to put colon. Solid line, if you want to put, so you have to just put it dash. So now you can see that solid line is here. Suppose you want to see the dashed line, so double dash you have to press, and you can see that double dashes line. And dashed or either dotted, you want to paste it. So just one dash and one dot. Now you can see that one dash and one dot. So it will be different on this. So color code, M for magenta, G for green, B for blue, you can use. So now we can increase marker size also, that manner. So how can we increase marker size? Okay, so suppose you want to increase marker size. Increase a marker size. So how can we increase marker size? So basically marker is that one. Okay, so now marker is that O. Okay, so now marker size, we can put ms equals to 25. So now you can see that marker size should be increases. Okay, so that is a marker size should be increases, and our line, we just display line. Okay, y yellow color, and now you can marker size, it will be increases. Okay, so now marker color you want to change. So now if we talk about change marker color, so how can we change marker color? So basically x is our point, and marker is equals to o dash y. So color we have, and marker size just to be little bit. Okay, 10, and now comma, and MEC marker color equals to blue. So B, and now you can see that. Okay, so that is a marker size and line width. Okay, so we can see that. So marker face color, if we talk about marker face color, that means that is a keyword MFC to set the color inside the edges of the marker. So MFC, if we talk about MFC, so first MFC, that means marker face color. So short form is that FFC. So that is used to set color inside the edge of the marker. So basically we can change set the color, edge of the color inside the marker. So we just paste our code, and now basically we are having plot x is our point. Okay, so now marker is equals to dash o. So marker size ms equals to 10, and now mfc equals to, we are putting green. Okay, so let me just see that. So now you can see that marker color, it will be change g for green. Okay, so that, okay, so now if you use, suppose mec and mfc both argument color of the entire marker. We can use both the argument or change the color of the entire marker. So how can we change? That is a x point, and now comma marker equals to o, and now ms equals to 10, and mec equals to yellow, and mfc equals to uh, magenta. Okay, so now let me show. So you can see that our code, that is a marker. Okay, yellow is not there. Why it is not? So let me check the blue red. It is coming out here. So red not showing. How it is possible? Okay. Red and okay, yellow. Okay, red and yellow. So red dotted and with the yellow yellow dotted with red border. So we can change it over here. Okay, so that's the mf mec and mfc example. So now we are having lot of charts is there. So next line chart line style we can use next video. Till now, thank you, and have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So thank you. Bye bye.